I said this exact phrase to one of my students, and she was utterly confused. You know what she did? She looked down at her feet. She was completely confused, completely baffled, and she was thinking, why is Nas talking about grabbing my leg and tugging it and pulling it? Now, because this is one of my students and she is a really smart cookie, she didn't just sit there in that confusion. She researched it. She asked AI. She loves using AI, and a few different options popped up. Pull someone's leg. It said physical assault, or historical hanging slang, or teasing. Look, she got some answers. She definitely did, but she wasn't entirely certain. So I watched her staring at the screen, more confused than when she had started. Now, something you really need to know is that you will never find the true meaning of this kind of information in a standard textbook. And sometimes even a dictionary definition will leave you completely lost. So hi there, and welcome to English Decoded, real world English decoded for you. Now, what's really important is that this happened right inside my classroom. So I was able to break it down for her instantly. And I'm going to do the same for you today. Now, if you are someone who wants to not only learn these phrases, but feel completely confident using them with native English speakers or your colleagues from abroad without feeling foolish, then our channel is the one for you. So before we go any further, would you like to hit that subscribe button? Because we turn confusion into confidence. Pull someone's leg. Well, this is how I explained it to her. It's really simple. It means to tease them, to joke with them, or tell them something that's not true, but it's a playful prank. Now, pull someone's leg, you are not touching their body, you are not pulling their leg literally, you're just playing a light-hearted trick. You're teasing them, you're joking with them. So when I told her this crazy story and her eyes went really wide, I said, hey, relax, don't worry. I'm just pulling your leg. And there are three very little words that I'm going to give you to remember this one. It means I'm just joking or I'm just kidding. And hey, there was no textbook required, but you just learned a really advanced English phrase to pull someone's leg, to tease them, to joke with them, to tell them something untrue, but just because, you playful, you naughty, you pulling a prank. So if you enjoyed that one, smash that like button. But before you go, when was the last time someone pulled your leg? I really want to know.